to my one and only baby girl, my only princess, Francesca Janexa. Happy birthday, anak. May your day filled with happiness, love, and wonderful memories. I wish you good luck, anak. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Always pray for God's guidance and protection. And I hope na makaya mo lahat ng pagsubok sa buhay. Malampasan mo lahat ng challenges as you go along with your journey. So anak, I will always be here with you together with Mommy Julie and your little brother Janus. May we have more years for adventure. Marami pang tayong papasyalan together. And I wish you a best of luck, anak. Oh, I love you, anak. No more words can say how much I love you, anak. And I miss you. Bawi na lang si Daddy. Happy birthday!